All right, language explorers. Let's have a look at the English consonants. So, A, E, I, O, U are the vowels, but the consonants are all the other letters. So, B, B, bread, bread, bread. There we are, bread. K, cat, K, cat. Very good. Meow and beyond. Very good. Very good. And D, dog. D, dog. Perfect. Look at that. And F, frog. Yes, frog, ribbit. Interesting little creatures they are. Frog. And H, home. Home. I am at home. Yes. This is my home. And J, jelly. Jelly. Let's have a look if there's jelly. Oh, there isn't. Jelly. No jelly. Okay, jelly, wobbly. And king. King. Here we are. King. Yeah. King. How cool is that? And man. Yeah. Oh, L. Let's say L, lemon. Lemon. There we are. Lemon. How cool is that? And then we have man. Man. Let's have a look. Man. Let's have this. Here we are. Man. And nose. Nose. N, nose. There we are. Nose. Yeah, whoops. Let's change that. Yeah, nose. And paper. Paper. Yeah, look at that. Oh, perfect paper. Look at that. Paper. All these sheets of paper. And queen. Queen. Now look at that. Yeah. Queen. And road. Road. Oh, perfect. Look at that. Road. How cool is that? Yeah. And snake. 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 Yeah. And tree. Yeah. Tree. Where is it? RS. Tree. Tree. And Velcro. Velcro, like things that stick together. Velcro on shoes, for example. Yes. There are loads of hooks. Velcro. And whales. Or you can also say whale. Because you got Wales, the country, and whale, the animal. So whale, or Wales, the country, yep. And whale, the animal. There we are. Look at that. Whale. Yeah. How cool is that? An X-ray. X-ray. Try and get a picture. X-ray. Maybe not. X-ray. Not quite. But X-ray. And yacht. 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 There we are. Look at that. Yacht. Very good. Yacht. Yeah. And zebra. Oh, perfect. Zebra. Yes. Look at that. Zebra. Yeah. Zebra. So, bread. Cat. Dog. Frog. Home. Jelly. King. Man. Lemon. Nose. Paper. Queen. Road. Snake. Tree. Velcro. Whales. X-ray. Yacht. Zebra. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.